Oh my God, it pulls! I almost forgot my key. Gonna need that. We're ready to boogie, boys. Just got everything ready. Got the bike unloaded, got the shoes on. Now we're headed to go ride. I think we're going to a construction site or something. So we're gonna see how long it lasts till we get kicked out. There we go. Oh my God, Kyle! Ah! Oh my God! Oh, this is madness. Oh my God, where is that? Oh, it's chilly, guys. So guys, I hope you like the X3 content. It's a little different. Ah! Oh, where the heck are we going, buddy? Kyle, I forgot to tighten my handlebars. I forgot to tighten my handlebars. It'll be alright. Nah, it's fine. I would have stopped. Are you cold?
Yeah.
Where's your gloves? You got it, dude. Shoot the gap. Colby, what are you doing?
Shut up.
Colby. Should I just send it? Oh, rip. Yes, sir! My feet didn't even get wet. Yeah, I didn't even get wet. Oh my God. What? I don't know, some imbeciles cut to the clip of us tearing up the grass. Yes, sir! Oh, this is gonna be... Send it! Nice! Woohoo!
Yeah, you're just not good at this.
Did he put his foot down?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Am I recording just to make sure?
Nah.
Okay. You're... Huge track, boy. Another water crossing. I'm gonna watch Colby f up this time. Colby, go. I'm gonna go this side now. I said I'm gonna stay back and watch Colby f up this time. Oh, laying down the roost, baby. Oh, that's a big hole. Colby, he fell the third time. I said, I'm gonna go behind him in case he f***s up, and he f***ed up again.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. My bike! No! What the freak? It sounds like I guess. Oh God, oh God. Hey! How long do I have on reserve? Because I just put it on reserve. Ah! What?
I thought we could get to that.
Oh, it smells like complete booty. Colby, watch this. Ah, dang it. Dang, okay. Colby. Nice.
I feel like you get a lot higher.
Yeah, oh yeah. You got a lot higher than he did.
Yeah.
This is pretty sick, dude. About ready to head back. I don't know how much gas it's gonna last.
Go ahead and try to jump it.
Yeah, try to jump it. See it. Try to conserve gas, like Kyle and Colby do the cool stuff. Oh my God! Pretty good.
What?
That was pretty good. You're gonna try to climb that wall? Yeah, okay, let's do it. Kyle said he's gonna try to climb one of these walls. I'm like, there's no way. No. Kyle, it's a straight wall.
Hey, literally the wall.
Yeah. Yeah.
This wall stands 1 Kyle tall.
You could probably make it up right there if we build like a...
Right here.
Take a little bit off the top.
Don't make it easy.
Oh, there's no way. Yeah, just a little kicker there. So I think honestly you might make it, to be honest with you. Oh, more speed. You might actually have it if you got more speed.
You got it.
First gear, make sure you're first. Oh God.
You got that.
Yeah, you got it. You think you can do it? You don't think he's got it?
Suspension. He's got it.
You made it!
Hey, wait.
Nice. I can't, dude, that's pretty impressive.
Oh yeah.
This is a wall. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's about 10 feet tall, you think, Kyle?
Yeah. It's 1 Kyle tall.
That's pretty good.
5 foot. It's so weird riding without the camera.
Yeah, is it? You should get to have
I've been
fun.
talking to myself the whole time.
Have you been? I heard you a couple times.
Oh wait, I don't need to talk.
The pioneers used to ride these babies for miles.
Yeah, look, how little this one.
Dude, that's a toddler. That's a toddler boulder.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Pit bike first, rock.
That's a big rock.
It's not a rock. This is my breakfast. Without any milk.
Oh my God, that's a stream. Good Lord, is that a water bottle over there? You got a garden hose attached to you? Oh, that's it. Yeah, finally hit one. Oh shit. Ah! Oh, that almost hit me. Yeah, maybe we shouldn't like throw rocks at each other. Watch out. Can't be Colby's bike for nothing.
You suck, Miller.
Shut up. All right, yeah, let's try to get back. The journey back is gonna be interesting to say the least. All right, guys, we're heading back to Kyle's house now. Let's see if we can make it back. I don't know if we can or not, to be honest with you. Kyle, there's cars. There's a cop. No way. To our right here. Just kidding, that's a Volvo. Get in there hot. Oh yeah. Oh God. Go bike. He's an absolute goof. Oh my God, it's completely 180. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so good.
What's Miller gonna run out of first? Battery life or gas?
I don't know. Is it pretty low?
Nah, it's like 40.
Goofed it.
You goofing? Honda boys.
Can't ride. Yamaha and Kawasaki's the way to go.
Yeah, I was watching like,
You were goofing. Dude, that was pretty funny.
Who wants to ride all the way the rest of the week in the creek? Nope. I've already got my...
Oh God, Colby. Oh my God. You good, Colby? Is that Beavis?
It's a high school graduate.
Oh my God, is that the home of a high school graduate?
Yes, it is.
Dude, this thing was spotless before I came out here.
So is us.
Oh yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Like, all those spots are pretty clean. And then, like, even on that side, the spots are pretty clean too. Even that was pretty clean too.
Yeah, I wouldn't leave it like that for long. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Dang, that hurt.
He just wheelied and landed his peg on his shin, or on his ankle. You okay, buddy? All right, Colby, you got this. I believe it.
I have to put my foot in the cold water so it stops hurting.
Are you okay?
Ow.
Rip chain. Ripping the chaffer chain. Chain has deleted itself. We should probably go help him. Oh, Kyle. Never ceases to. God dang it! I pulled a Colby. That is cold water. Oh, dang it! They're just getting dry. God dang it! My freaking front wheel got stuck in a rock. And it freaking stopped me. Oh, that is cold. Oh my God, my foot's numb. I can't feel my foot. I cannot feel my foot. How has Colby ridden like this? Man, we were so good too. Did I make it back? I can't feel my foot!
What?
I can't feel it!
Me neither!
Well, obviously. Oh, had to do a wheelie. Oh my God. How did I make it back on reserve? That is a question I'll never figure. Oh my God. All right, guys, I'm gonna like change and pick you guys up on the big camera. All right, guys, we are finishing up our day. Kyle, it's a bunch of fun. Never a dull day at the Kyle compound.
Doesn't sound as cool.
Doesn't sound as cool.
You should make your outro me throwing a ball of mud at you.
No, stop it! We're not done yet. We're still talking.
Look, I'm growing a garden back here.
Are you growing a garden?
Yes.
Let's see it.
I named this one Francis.
Oh.
And this one's Jessica.
Chestica.
And this one's Marvin.
Ooh. Alright guys, we're gonna end off today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Me and Kyle are gonna do some crazy stuff.
Boring outro.
Alright guys! Start screaming.
Scream, takes camera,
Slams it on the ground. We're gonna do some fun things with this. Maybe some fun things with the Porsche. Maybe some fun things with the Finley. Does Finn like it?
I don't know, we're gonna find out.
Finn's like, please help.
We haven't taken Finn for a ride yet.
Finn, no. He's like, send help. Ooh.
Let the crap, dog!
Finn, come here.
Come on. Come on, let's go for a ride.
Come on, do you wanna go for a ride? Come on. Come on, Finn. Come on, buddy.
Goodbye, guys.
It's after the video, but Beavis is about to die. I mean, about to ride with Kyle. Good luck, have fun. Bye.
Never been in one.
Oh God.
Come down to this creek.
All right. Never been in one before. Oh no. I'll flag you. Hey, 4-wheel drive watch. All right.
Ready?
All right, ready, set, go.